Okay, now for the guided practice. So just a reminder of our steps. I want to write our steps up here. So these are the steps that we need to use to solve these. So really, first thing we need to do is at 45, 45, 90 or 30, 60, 90. Which one? Step 2, label sides. Step 3, find X. And step 4, use X to get other sides. That's really our 4 steps that we do. We got to figure out what kind it is, label our sides based on that template, find X, and then use X to get the other sides. 4 steps. That's all I ask, 4 steps. Okay, so let's use those steps to help us solve. And just another reminder for Google, I know this is day 3. I know I said it on day 1 and day 2. In Google Forms, you need to type square root and then whatever number you want. So the square root of 3 means you would do square root of 3 in Google. Okay, now that those 2 are out of the way, let's actually look at the guided practice. So for number 1, first step, what kind of triangle is it? See, I have 45 here, so that means it's a 45, 45, 90. So I need to label my sides based on that template. There's my longest side. It's going to be X square roots of 2. Where did I get that from? Look on your notes at the template. That's where we got it from. Our short sides are X. So they're at step 2. Step 1, we said what it was. Step 2, we labeled. Now, what could X possibly be? Over here, I know this side is X. It's also 10, so that means X equals 10. So over here, that means we're 10 right there. And then we're 10 square roots of 2 there. That's our answer. A is 10. C is 10 square roots of 2. That's it. We're done with that one. Number 2, what kind of triangle is it? 45, 45, 90. Okay, label our sides. This side needs to be X square roots of 2. There's X, there's X. So we labeled our sides. Now we have to find x. Well, here's a little equation here. Divide both sides by the square root of 2. Goodbye. Goodbye. X equals 16. So I go around my triangle and fill in 16 for x. So 16 is x. 16 is x. So what's A equal to? A equals 16. Okay. Number 3. What kind of triangle is it? 45, 45, 90. So now we label our sides. This side across from here will be x square roots of 2. X and x. Step 3, find x. Well, I'm going to use the side I know down here. X square roots of 2 equals 16. So make me a little equation over here to the side to get x. Divide by the square root of 2. So x equals 16 square roots of 2. Or sorry, 16 divided by the square root of 2. I can't leave it like that. So I need to multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. Just like we did on day 1. So x equals 16 square roots of 2 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 square roots of 2. There's our x. So anywhere I see an x, I need to write that. So 8 square roots of 2, 8 square roots of 2. So what's b equal to? Eight square roots of 2. That's it. So those 3 were 45, 45, 90. Let's keep going. We're still going to do the same 4 steps. First one, what kind is, so on number 4, what kind is it? 30, 60, 90. Okay, so now we know what kind it is. We need to label. The one across from the right angle is always 2x. The short side is always x. The long leg is always x square roots of 3. So now I've got to get x. Well, I have me a little equation here. 2x equals 20. Divide by 2, x equals 10. So anywhere I see an x, I need to plug in a 10. That's 10. 10 square roots of 3. Well, I think we're done. Let's see. What's a equal to? 10. What's b equal to? 10 square roots of 3. Okay. Number 5. What kind is it? 30, 60, 90. Okay. Label your sides. That side's 2x. My short side is x. My long leg is x square roots of 3. So take the side you know and make an equation with it. X square roots of 3 equals 15 square roots of 3. Divide by the square root of 3. Gone, gone. X equals 15. So everywhere we see an X up here, we need to put a 15. So this equals 15. This equals 2 times 15. And what is 2 times 15? 30. So what is A equal to then? Well, it's right above it. A is 15. What's C equal to? 30. So that's number 5. Number 6. You're going to get tired of me saying this, but go through the 4 steps. What kind of triangle is it? 30, 60, 90. Okay, so let's label the sides. First one, 2x is the hypotenuse. The one across from the right angle is 2x. Short side is x. Long leg, x square roots of 3. Now I need to use this to make an equation. X square roots of 3 equals 15. And I need to get x now. So divide by the square root of 3. X equals 15 divided by the square root of 3. Can I leave it like that though? No. Gotta multiply by my special number 1. So we're gonna get 15 square roots of 3 over 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5 square roots of 3. So that's my x. Everywhere I see an x, I need to write that. So here, 5 square roots of 3. Over here, 2 times 5 square roots of 3. Well, what is 2 times 5? 10 square roots of 3. We know all the sides now. So let's see what it says. It asks for A. A is equal to 5 square roots of 3. C is equal to 10 square roots of 3. That's all there is to these problems. So just to remind y'all, 4 steps. 1, what kind is it? 2, label your sides. 3, find x. 4, Use X to get the other sides. Drew a blank there. Okay, so that's it for the guided practice. On this assignment, you have 22 questions, so hop to it. Well, there's 22 total. We just did 6 together, so really you have 16 questions to do. So hop to it.